Hello guys, this is Heatline, UK brand but made in Turkey, and now I here have a leaking from PRV valve, pressure relief valve. Now it's okay, and I installed the 15mm copper tube, and now have no leaking. I replace this tube, this line, this water line is new. Look at here is the rust from the leaking from the PRV valve. I have a service 2 radiators, service the Klima, and change the gasket on the washer machine with new. Oh, not only this. Here it's losing the nut, now it's okay, and problem and leaking from here. Now everything is okay. The client say you're the best man, and I say thank you, lady. Have a nice day. Please share, like and subscribe.